Hello. So today I get to share with you my awesome familia. I call them my familia, okay? So who is that? The community that I am a part of, that you would be a part of. So let me share with you what it looks like. You get to see behind the scenes. I call it behind the scenes, but it's actually the community. So let me can I do it this way? Should we do it that way? Let's see if we can make it bigger for you to see. Okay. So this is the community. It's called Digital Growth Community. As you can see, 59,000 of us right now as I'm recording this. So it might be way more at a later time. So you have to keep that in mind because this is going to be out there for a while. So this is the founder. This is Michelle. This is the founder, mom of six, grandma of five. She is amazing. She is I value and I am grateful that I get to be a part of this. And she created a space for us where you could learn some skills and generate substantial income, which is crazy to me. And I love it. I can't say that enough. So what does she also do? The other day, I was telling you that there's no monthly fees. Why do I say that? We get to be a part of this amazing community that she put together, and we're not paying monthly for it. Now, let me tell you, the value in this program far exceeds the purchase of a program. It far exceeds it by like a landslide because not only, oh my gosh, I forgot this too. So I need to tell you this too. But not only does she give us this space, she does three things. Every single day, we get a daily video. Every single day, and it would be under the calendar in the classroom. Sorry. See, right now we're doing a 30K and 90-day run. What does that mean? A 30K and 90-day run means this. Every single day, she gives us, I'm on the wrong thing. Every single day, she gives us a daily video, and it's like a 3-minute, 5-minute video of instruction and direction in your business. Hey, are you doing this? This is what you should be doing. And let me tell you the value of that. If you are the kind of person that really likes a step by step, how do I do this? And that's exactly what she does. She walks us through, and I love them. Every 90 days, she does this as she shows up. She's diligent, determined, and disciplined. And I thank her like from the bottom of my heart because I love the way that this whole business is structured for people just like me, like just beginners. So every single day, and we're doing that 30K and 90-day run. It's kind of like she takes a beginner all the way through on a journey. And I love it. She also does this. She puts on a webinar for us. As you can see right here, this webinar. She brings on the guest speakers. She puts the presentation together, and she does what? She allows us to invite our potential customers to it. It's like free advertising for you, free advertising for me. We're not even putting it together, and she does this for us. And there's no monthly fees. So I get a daily video, and it gets better. I get a webinar that I can invite potential customers to, and she most of the time does that every single week. Okay. Then also on top of that, every single Monday, I can show you in the calendar every single Monday. So you want to be mentored by a multimillionaire? I'm going to tell you quickly about her. Let's do this first. So every Thursday, there is other calls that everybody can be in. Like, doesn't matter which program you choose. And remember, I have 5 programs, 1400, 900, 600, 300, and 100. If you choose any of the programs, you can be, whatever program you choose, doesn't matter. You can be in all these ones on Thursday. Now, Mondays, this is how it is right now. It used to be Tuesdays, but any legacy builder call you can be in. She does the exclusive legacy builder calls for the people that choose the 900 and the 1400. You get to sit in a Zoom with her, a live interactive program. That's what it is. A live interactive program. You get to sit in the same room with a multimillionaire who made her money from the very program that she created. So she didn't have money before she started this. Okay. She came into this aiming for 54,000 in the first year. She hit 1,000,000 in 17 months, you guys. 1,000,000 in 17 months. And now, 3 years later, okay, she's almost at $10 million. She might have hit it by now. I don't know. But that's who you get to spend your time with if you choose the 9 or the 14. I don't know. I do not miss those calls unless I'm really busy doing something. But there's also replays. So if you miss it and you can't attend them, there are replays. Priceless, absolutely priceless. And no, we're not paying per month. Okay. So I wanted to share that. This is what it looks like to get started. Okay. I have the Legacy, the 1400, the Builders Bundle Pack, which means it's in Spanish and in English. You just go to literally right there. It says start here. That's where you start. Okay. Also, what else did I want to say? Oh, here, I almost forgot. Sorry, I shook the camera. I have my own community. So you actually get to be with me. Let's make this a little let's make me a little smaller, shall we? Is it like that? Or is it like that? That's good. Okay. So do you have to go live? No, you don't. Do you have to go face forward? No, you don't. These are options. You can go faceless, face forward. You can go live. You don't have to go live. Okay. But what I love to do is I love to go live. I like to communicate with the people. I like to meet them. I like to hang out with them. And it's just, I love going live. So it is an option. So I teach the people. I learned that I could make my community because of this program. So I made a community. This wasn't what it was in the beginning. So I had like this other community that I created. And then one day it hit me. And I was like, why don't I teach the thing that everybody keeps asking me about? Because everybody would ask me, how do you do this on TikTok? How do you do this? I was constantly getting asked, how are you doing this? And so one day this year, this is 2026, okay? So one day this year, I was like, oh my gosh, why don't I just teach people what they're asking me for? And that's how this was born. So I love it because I love doing this. I love helping people. And so if you are watching this video and you have a program and you purchased it from somebody else, I will help you inside of here. It is free to join my community, okay? So also, you have direct messaging access to me up here. You can drop questions here. I, right now, am doing 1 call a month for people with legacy. Okay, so this is what the calendar looks like. I do 1 call a month for those people that purchase a program from me. Jump in and ask me questions. I am here to support you. I do the live lab things once a week. Okay, so that's a little different, but I want to make sure you know that you're not by yourself in this business. Okay, you're not by yourself. I am literally here. I love this business. I'm not going anywhere. I am building myself a nest egg. And I've learned skills that I wish I would have had, like in business a long time ago. Because you might not know this about me. I'm sorry, this is longer than I intended it to be. But I had a bookkeeping business. I sold that bookkeeping business. It was small. It was a small bookkeeping business. I ran it out of my house. And so I sold the bookkeeping business. And then I had a brick and mortar. And I closed that in 2021. And then something personal happened in 2022, which is why I had to do the dash. So there's a little bit of a story there. But what was I trying to say to you? Siri. anyways, I forgot. I'm just thinking about the time. These are the skills that I wanted to have, that I needed to have in my life with the prior businesses. That's what I was getting at. And now for the past, since 2024, these are the skills that I've been learning. I wish I would have had these skills before. And then you get to learn more as you're in this journey. Okay. I love this. If you have questions for me, send me an email. Please don't be shy. I would gladly love to help you. Okay. Have a blessed day or night. Bye.